I am so excited about the results of our last meeting with Engility and really feeling great about starting our PowerPoint presentation. This is such a strong opportunity.
Yeah, I agree. Hey, listen, let's get moving because I have a hard stop in about an hour.
An hour?
Hey, you have a full hour. Usually I only give people a half hour, but for Engility, we're going to get the full hour this time.
I guess we'll deal with what we have to take.
I'm sure we'll do well. So Stephanie, what did you get down as far as any other company background information we might need from Engility?
What we know about Engility is that it has recently divested from L3 Communications and is now its own distinct company. Engility is a leading provider of U.S. government services in areas such as systems engineering and training. They provide project management support, and one area where AT&T can really help Engility out is in providing operational support to the different branches of the U.S. government.
That ties in really well with the business drivers that we have started to put together. Let's look at the slide. First, moving from a CapEx to an OpEx model.
Yeah, that came through very loud and clear in the meeting.
It did. Next, as a government contractor, they're facing large budget cuts.
Agreed.
They need to identify their IT requirements, things like data center support, consulting, and development.
You know, when we were in the meeting, I was actually thinking that would be a perfect fit for AT&T Consulting because they really need the help and the assistance to nail down their exact IT requirements as they're spinning off. So we want to make sure we bring that up with them, I think, the next time we meet.
That's a great idea. We'll definitely make note of that. They need to respond quickly and cost effectively to their government quotes. And they require a high level of security.
Yeah, to me, that's the biggest point. I think that the security that AT&T can bring to bear and the security of our network is going to be key to our proposal moving forward.
I agree with you.
Look at the Engility website. It references speed, agility, and innovation. Those focus items certainly mesh very well with AT&T. I think that this is something very positive to point out to them during our presentation.
That was a great recap of their business drivers.
Thanks.
So I think what we need to do is now start to talk about their solution. And after our meeting with the customer, I compared up our cloud services versus expanding our backup data center proposal to Engility. And I really think we should go with AT&T Cloud Solutions. I think that it's going to really map up well with their business drivers. And if you want to take a look quick here, I put them up with their business requirements. So two of the big things I think are, it's going to enable us to move from a CapEx model to an OpEx model, which they had said was one of their big business drivers.
Absolutely.
And then another thing I think that's really important is it's going to give us a nice level of flexibility. So as they get government projects coming in and wrapping up, they can scale up and scale down as projects start and they finish.
That will definitely be an advantage to them.
Yeah. So what I thought would be a good thing for us to do is, in advance of our meeting next time, I found this really great cloud video from AT&T on YouTube, and I thought it'd be great for us to send it over to them to whet their appetite a little bit for what we're going to come and propose.
That sounds great. Can
Yeah.
we see it now?
Yeah, sure. Let's take a quick look at it.
When companies need to deploy faster, turn up new applications sooner, when they need to scale up and scale down, handle short-term needs, when they need to optimize the performance of their applications, dramatically expand access to data, or capacity for data. The answer? Cloud infrastructure solutions from AT&T. AT&T Synaptic Compute as a service, and AT&T Synaptic Storage as a service. Two options that make you agile, flexible, far more responsive to the needs of the enterprise. The idea? Instead of always investing in more and more hardware, you tap into resources built into the AT&T network for computing, for storage, or both. Only when you need it, for as long as you...
That was really great. I think we really need to send this over to the customer right away.
I'm glad you liked that video. I thought it was pretty cool myself.
I really liked it too.
Okay, great. All right, listen, let's go ahead and take a look at the solution slides.
All right, let's.
Okay. This first slide illustrates how AT&T is focused on delivering a highly secure and reliable cloud service, and it shows that our approach to security is to layer network, physical, and logical security so that the AT&T cloud services are delivered in a highly secure way that will meet Engility's needs as a government contractor. This next slide indicates that AT&T's cloud is built on our historical strength and largest investment, our network. Plus, since any cloud relies on the network for a positive user experience, we have an opportunity to control the entire user experience. That's something a lot of other providers can't do.
The slides look great.
Oh, thanks.
I have one other slide that I would like to add on the signature difference that I really think tells the story of the signature client group well.
Okay, let's take a look at it.
As a new business, it is important for Engility to understand what the signature client group brings to the table as differentiators. This slide provides a great overview of the account team, the customer experience, and educational opportunities.
What did you think of the signature difference slide?
I thought it was really great.
Good. Let's recap just to make sure that we've covered everything.
Okay.
We've got the customer's background,
Yep.
business drivers, the technical solution, and the signature difference.
Okay. Yeah, I thought that was really great too, that slide.
Good. Steph, is there anything that you would like to add?
I think this sums everything up, and I think we seem like we're ready to bring it out to the customer.
Good. Rose, how about you?
I agree. I think we're ready to go.
All right, let's go sell this.
All right, sounds
Great.
good. Thanks.